How to make notes on iPad. Taking notes using the iPad, using the Apple Notes app can be very helpful while being in a meeting, while studying, or just if you're in a class and you're taking down notes. So I will tell you some basic things. So if I want to create a new note, I can just click on this button over here and a new note will appear. As you can see, we already have new note. While we are on this new note, how do we rename it? So for renaming, it's very helpful that I find you either write the subject first and then the date, or the date first and then the subject. So let's say it is 29 September today. So 29 September, and then I write my Mac talk. So this is going to help me out. I can have the date in a bracket if I like. So as you can see, I've written down the title, and as you can see, even today. So notes basically will keep on updating as you make them. So if I were to make, let's say, a change to this note, it's going to come up in today rather than previous 30 days. So in today, you can see this is my new note, and now I can start writing, right? So let's hit enter and then subscribe. I've written subscribe. I can hit enter again. I can put in like. If I want, I can have it be a bulleted list. I can just put in dash if I want. As you can see, it has automatically given itself a tab, or the tab button, which is that, by the way. So, and now I can write. So that is how easy it is. So if I hit enter again, it's going to keep on creating a new bullet for me. And that is very helpful to take down notes very quickly. By the way, my iPad does not have a keyboard on it, but I use the on-screen keyboard. If you want, you can use an attachment which is going to be very helpful. You can even replace your laptop with it. But sometimes what happens is notes will not show up on the dock depending on what kind of applications and whether or not you have actually pinned it over there. So you can go to your app library and pick notes like so. Look it up in Spotlight search like so. So I would say if you frequently open the Notes app, you actually pin it to the dock so that it's easier to open and you don't have to go looking for it every time. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.